Hello, Marcus. How are you today?
Hello, I am really good, thanks.
That's good. Can you introduce yourself?
Yeah, my name is Marcus. I am 33 years old. I travel the world now. I work online. I teach German.
Uh-huh.
So,
Okay, can you tell us about your experience as a teacher and how you choose to be online teacher?
so yeah, at first, my first solo travels were to Thailand. I went there. I quit my job and I wanted to start something new. And then, yeah, I worked in a school in Thailand. I worked with kids, and it was so amazing. I saw how much I like to work with kids, and this was inspiring me to, yeah, to be a teacher. So I went back to Germany. I studied education, like for primary school, German, mathematics, and sport. And yeah, then I was a teacher, and after that I traveled to Portugal, and I was a pilgrim, so I was walking from Portugal to Spain to Santiago de Compostela, like by feet. I had just a backpack, and yeah, you are just walking by yourself. You are alone. You are just with your thoughts, and on this way, yeah, like I thought about a lot about of my life, and I got like a message from, I don't know, somewhere, or like an inner voice, and the voice said, try to find an online job, try to travel more and full time, and don't go back to Germany. And I did it. I came back. I installed like an app for jobs, and the first thing was, okay, there is an online job. It's flexible, a freelancer, and I just applied, and I got the job, and then it was like, wow, crazy. So from one moment to another, your life can change. I know I don't need to be in one place. I can work everywhere. Yeah, and now it's like over 1 year I travel and I work online.
Oh, I really like your story. I'm sure it inspire many people. Was really interesting how you just find out. So can you tell us for how long is you are traveling and for how long is you are teaching German?
I teach German now for some years, but I started to teach online in October last year. So now it's just 10 months.
Uh-huh. Perfect.
Yeah, I travel now full time almost like 10 months. So before I traveled like a little bit, and I went back to Germany, I traveled. So it was like on, off. But then I
Yeah.
found the online job, and yeah, now I
Oh.
travel full time.
So since you found this job, you thought, okay, why not just continue and live in travel, right? Because can
Yeah.
support you this and can cover all your expenses.
It was like mainly not about the expenses. I worked in Germany a lot, then I had some savings, but I felt when I traveled, after a time you get tired because you are just doing touristic things, you are, yeah, like just traveling. And after a time I felt I want to do something. I want to work. Yeah, that's why now it's like a good mix. I like to work, I like to travel, so it's not just traveling. I think it's important. If you travel a long time, and you just travel, it gets boring and you are getting tired. So, yeah, that's why.
Perfect. Can you tell us how you found this job and these days how you found your connection and customer? Are there like a fixed on one platform or from different places?
Yeah, like it was by accident. I was searching a job in like an app. The name is Indeed. Then I just saw, okay, there is now an online teaching job. I applied, and then I got this job. So I'm working like for an online school, and they gave me students. They give me now my students. But yeah, some weeks ago I opened my own online school, and I did my own homepage. I am doing my own materials. So now I try to do like
Your
for
own.
my own
Yeah.
thing. Yeah, because now I work for someone else, and I like this job, and yeah, I would like to build something, yeah, for myself.
I want to know if people like to learn German, how they should contact you.
Worked for an online school, but like some weeks ago or months ago, I started my own online school. But I built my own homepage, so I'm trying to do everything by my own because I want to build something yeah, from my hand. And so I have an online school. I can teach, I can give private classes, I can give group classes. Or if you want to start to learn German, I built an online course. So it's like you don't need any previous experiences. You start by zero, and like it's a step-by-step course. It's with like online learning games, with like explanations. And yeah, if you want to learn German, check out my homepage. Thank you.
Sure, I will mention your links and people can contact you. Thank you. Thank you.
I can just say merci, thank you very much, teşekkür ederim, spasiba, dziękuję, gracias, obrigado.
Cool,
All the
cool.
best for you.
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Bye.